Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all the new viewers. Hopefully you're gonna like your first video and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and come back next time. Of course, leave me some comments if you like. We'll see how we go today. So, where's my item? Alright, so in today's video we're gonna go a little bit shiny in terms of the color. I've got this amazing golden leggings from Skins. So if you haven't heard about Skins, they do lots of swimwear as well. It's all about the brightness and all about the shyness. Some of it is full leather, some of it they do lycra as well. They increase their range for male as well. So if you want to buy something for the boyfriend, girlfriend, of course go in there and check it all out. There's leggings, there's swimmers, there's one pieces, shorts, even crop tops, bodysuits, that sort of stuff, and so anything lycra related. So hopefully you like the colors. They've got so many to choose from. So today we're gonna be going with gold. I had one gold leggings from them before. They were slightly different color or different finish of the golden color. So this is this one this time around. A little bit shinier, which I'm very happy with. The previous one was much more grainy. It's got a nice little stretch, of course, in there. So if I'm gonna stick my hands in, let's go. So stretch, they're stitched all in the middle, so there's no stitching on the outside. Nice, good enough band. They don't usually do any thicker bands than that in terms of the width of the band. Usually they sit quite high, but you can pick low cut leggings. These ones are kind of in between, so we'll see how they fit. The size is size small, full length, of course. And I'm very curious to see how far they sit in terms of the waist. They're gonna be nice and comfy. Good summer outfit, even for winter, even kind of like underneath your skirt or legging or the dresses, if you prefer that, opposed to stockings and stuff. So we're gonna go and try these ones on. Let's see. Alright, there is a gold. So if you're gonna start with the way the fit is, so it's high enough as I prefer, so it covers enough the way the hips. It doesn't give you, of course, any waist sucking in feeling that some leggings do. Not with this one. It's high enough though, but the band is strong enough. I don't feel like it's gonna have to spend too much time adjusting. It's flexible enough around the legs. The stitching is pretty strongly done. There is no imperfection that I would notice all around this way or even on the inside of the leg. The one thing that I definitely notice is the color is probably not gonna stay too consistent for too long. The fabric seems reasonably delicate. Even when I was putting it on, I could tell that I would have to be very careful not to scratch the top shiny layer off. I can tell that on certain parts how the pants were folded inside in the bag, that there is a bit of a longer line. So sadly not everyday wear for these ones, so you have to be a bit more delicate in them, maybe storing them inside out, something like that. And washing would be, I would recommend personally. It doesn't say in a recommendation, but I would say definitely cold wash. I wouldn't put it in a washing machine, so you don't have any much too aggressive washing liquids or powders coming through the fabric, plus it would be tumbling with all the other stuff, so it'd be easier. Yeah, so there's a little bit of imperfection, but on a feel, they feel nice. The fabric feels nice. They feel really comfortable. So good choice, maybe even for the gym, but as I said, I don't think they would last for too long without having too much of a noticeable scratches on there. Thanks for watching today's video. What did you think? Leave me the comment down below. Of course, give me a like, and if you're ready to subscribe, hit that subscribe button as well. Check out my 2 tiers for the fans on my and subscriptions on my channel. So I hope you like the content that's coming your way over there too as well from today. Hopefully you had a lovely week, and I'll see you all next week. Stop it. Today,